The Mämmi is black. These are like things that people will say to each other in bad spy novels. You know, you go up Pohjois Esplanadi and you see your contact and you say, Mämmi on mustaa. And he says, Minun kissa on vielä onkalossa. And that you know that it's safe to talk.
Nyt.
Nainen. Nimi. Mies.
Ruoka. Mämmi on makeaa.
On make.
Mämmi on mustaa.
Musta. Liha on loppu.
No, people will understand. People will understand you. I mean, like, you just get used to. You'll get used to if you spend time in Finland. You'll get used to things like onks and anteeksi and just removing the I from things generally. People, you know, I don't think my experience is people don't think you're weird for that. Yeah.
Liha on loppu. Liha on loppu. Tämä liha on outoa.
This meat is strange. Tämä liha on outoa, koska se on ollut pitkä aikaa onkalossa.
Mämmi on todella makeaa.
I watched a documentary about onkalo the other night, so it's on my mind when I'm speaking Finnish.
Mämmi on todella makeaa. Mämmi on.
Todella. Makeaa.
Mämmi on
mustaa
ja
makeaa.
Tuo limonadi on oranssia.
That soda is orange. It's called Into Eternity. Maybe it's the one you're thinking about.
Miksi tämä ruoka on oranssia? Tämä ruoka on oranssia.
Tämä ruoka on Eurajoesta. Sillä on oranssia.
Mämmi on mustaa ja makeaa.
Mämmi on musta ja makeaa. The Mämmi is black and sweet. Tämä liha on outoa. Outoa. Tämä ruoka on outoa. Yes. This is from a chapter of the phrase book called Visiting Eurajoki.